Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this pet best insurance platform. So let's dive into it. Pet best is a popular pet insurance choice because it's affordable, flexible and easy to use. You can customize your plan with different deductibles, reimbursement rate, and even add a wellness coverage if you want a routine care included. They also offer a 24/7 telehealth and vet direct pay, which means vet can be paid directly, so you don't have to wait for reimbursement. The mobile app makes the filing claim quick and convenient, which is a big plus for busy pet owners. On the downside, the premium often increase as your pet get older, and some customers have reported delays or frustration with claim approval, especially for pre-existing condition. While it's not perfect, Pet Best still stand out as a good balance of affordability and useful features. So if you are looking for flexible coverage without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth considering. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.